barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the DowJones30 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in copying my personal trades by joining my private signal team, then please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's look at the DowJones30 here. The Dow initially during yesterday's trading session, fell ever so slightly, ended the day down 0.3%, which is not too bad really. We only fell 100 points considering that the Nasdaq 100 was down 1.7 and the S&P 500 ended down 1.18. So a rather muted trading session yesterday here for the Dow. I managed to avoid a lot of the noise, and that's quite surprising as well due to the fact Walmart had a terrible outlook going forward. It's, we are starting to see signs now, cracks, that the consumer is starting to weaken, and of course that's not good for a company like Walmart, like Amazon, etc., which of course is a big part of the DowJones30. So I definitely would be fearful going forward, and I personally I think that there's only a matter of time now until this market does start to roll over. Dow at this moment in time, going into the open, we're up 0.37%. I think that this will easily roll over. This is just because Microsoft and Google in after hours trading has managed to turn positive, and it's obviously gave the likes of the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 some momentum. But as I just mentioned, I would not be surprised if we see ourselves roll over here, trade back below the 50-day EMA and go and target the 0.3 fib area. I think eventually we even break below that and go and test the new fresh lows here for the DowJones30. I really do not like buying here. The risk-reward ratio is shocking. We're still in a downtrend. Nothing really fundamental has changed. And also, don't forget, guys, we have the Fed coming out today with a pretty much certain rate hike. Is it going to be 0.75 basis points? Is it going to be 1 full point? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, and to be honest, it's quite hard to, try to forecast as to what the market's behavior is going to be if it is 75 basis points or it is one basis point, because we are trading it in an environment where good news is bad news and bad news is good news. So it's going to be very difficult to navigate today's statement. But I am bearish overall on this market, hence I'm selling.
500,000 barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything